Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to create our first Rust program. Rust is a low-level programming language, and when you first install it, it actually comes with the compiler, the source code formatter, and something called Cargo. Cargo is what we're going to use to build and run our programs. It's a package manager. So, we're in our clean directory here in VS Code. We're going to type cargo new in the name of the program. So let's do hello underscore world. Just for first basic program. I'm going to go to the source folder, open up main.rs, and here we have our main function. And this is just printing to the computer hello world. So I think it's print ln exclamation point. If I had to assume, ln means line, so print line. But we can actually we can tell the computer to print hello world in the Rust programming language by typing first cargo build. Oh, we're not in the directory, so let's get into hello world. Let's do cargo build. And so we just compiled our program. Then we do cargo run. And cool, we just ran our first Rust program that we didn't even write ourselves. But as you can see there, it says hello world. Now let's create a new program, and we're gonna test out variables, and the goal will be to just write our favorite color. So let's get out of hello world. Let's do cargo new my favorite color. Let's get in there. Let's open it up. Let's close that. Close that. Here's our new program. Main function. Let's delete that. So, thinking about it, for variables, we write them similarly to how you might write a function or a variable in JavaScript. We use let, but let doesn't mean the same thing as it does in JavaScript, just to be clear. Variables in Rust are immutable. There is a way around it, and I'll get to that shortly. But let's write, so our favorite color, what would the answer be? So we can create another function actually that will contain our favorite color, and we can assign it as the value to this variable answer. So that will be, we'll call the function my favorite color. And so let's create that function. I'm typing fn my favorite color, and our color will be of string data type, and to declare that you type a little arrow, write string, open it up, and then we can type our favorite color. Now I'm pretty sure this won't work straight off the bat. We might have to access the toString method. So let's first give it a shot. So let's make sure we print our answer. You can see my current favorite color is, along with the answer. And let's build. Let's run the program, see what happens. I'm expecting it. Oh, we're in the wrong program. Whoops. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we need to save. Duh. Okay. Let's try that again. Yeah, so it expected string, but it didn't get it. And it gives the compiler gives us a nice little tip here. This is how try using a conversion method. So if we go up to red, we can just access that method to string. Alright, now let's try and make sure to save. Can't use semicolons. Let's remove that and try one more time. Cool. So it displayed my current favorite color is red. And remember how I told you that variables are immutable? Well, let's delete all this, and I'll show you what I mean here. So back in our main function, we can declare an integer variable, but we're just going to write let our age equal 23. And let's say we want to increment that number by 1. And then we will print that value. My age is... Oh, let me fix that. Let's try running. See, cannot assign twice to a mutable variable. So the way we can actually work around that is going back up to the variable and adding this little keyword mut for mutable. So we're making this variable, or making the value of this variable mutable. So let's see if we can increment the age this time around. Cool, so we incremented the value by 1 successfully. We changed the value, and it displayed my age is 24 instead of just 23. So yeah, that is our first Rust program. So I hope this gives you a nice little basic idea of how to use variables in Rust. It was pretty interesting to me, and it was fun to actually write in Rust for the first time. So thanks for watching.